Welcome. In this video we're going to take a look at how you can detect the presence of the Wannacry ransomware, but also how you can find out if you've got any SMBv1 servers on your network. So today on the 12th of May there's been a lot of issues with this version of ransomware. Anybody from Telefonica in Spain to the NHS in the UK, they're getting hit by this particular variant. Now, buried in the detail, there is reference to you must absolutely right now get MS 17-01010 applied to your servers. Bit of reading here, but the crucial piece in here it's Microsoft SMBv1 message block, server message block version 1. It looks like it's an attacker can send a specially crafted message to that. So part of this cleanup, you got to make sure you have no SMBv1. I mean, it really should be gone off your network. So you need to find out if you have any SMBv1 servers, together with how you can detect the presence of this ransomware. So, going to look at how you can look at both with our product LandGuardian. So, firstly, we want to check for the presence. So, there are two pieces of data that you can search on. When the ransomware strikes, it creates a text file with this name here. Please read me that text so you can search for that, and also watch out for the WNCRY file extension. So let's take a look at this one first. So with LandGuardian, if you go to our website nefer.com, go to the resources menu, there's some videos there which describes how to get it installed, but it passively monitors file shares through a spam and mirror report. So download the 30-day trial, you'll be up and running in within 10 minutes. If you go to your Fileshare's dashboard, you get a good summary of what's happening here. So let's extend the top Fileshare actions. So firstly, this is classic behavior of ransomware. Now, it's just a lab network here, a small number of files, but a lot of files have been renamed. If you drill down on that, let's extend here. You'll see if there's this variant, you'll see WNCRY. This is the machine you need to get off your network. With Active Directory integration, you can get username as well. Because it's a lab, I actually don't have Active Directory enabled, but on a live network, you'll be able to see what users got this ransomware into your network. You need to get this client off before you do any cleanups. Another option here, if you just use the search, so for example, in the search bar at the top, just put in the name of the file or the extension again, WNCRY, run a search, and again it's a similar approach here. We can see the client here 10.1.1.97 has got that, brought that ransomware into the network. We need to get it off. You can also see the files that it's targeted. Okay, but what it looks like the vulnerability here is with the SMBv1. To find out if you have any Fileshare servers, use the search here, just type in servers, scroll down here to the Windows Fileshares, and the one you're looking for here is top Fileshare servers. From the version here, select SMBv1 and run a report. So I don't have any in the lab, but on a network that's vulnerable, if you have servers that are listening on using SMB version 1, you'll get them listed here. So those servers need to be upgraded. You need to disable SMBv1. There's lots of guides out there. It's older operating systems. You're looking at Windows Server 2003, XP clients that can communicate using SMBv1. So this LandGuardian will passively identify any servers you have listening on the SMB version 1 protocol. There's no reason why you can't switch that off. Clients will still be able to communicate using SMB version 2 and 3. So that's a very quick, so just in summary there, if you want to detect if you have any files out or any servers out there infected or clients infecting your network, just search for the extension WNCRY. The other thing to take a look at when you install LandGuardian, go straight to Fileshares and look at your actions. You shouldn't see rename near the top. If you have, you've definitely a problem. Drill down on that, see the clients that are affected. You should see reads and writes at the top, not renames. And the last check you can do is to check to do a search for the actual text file itself. Again, you just use our search facility here at the top to search for that file or folder name. So just pop that in there. Because it's a lab environment, I didn't actually run the the virus itself. I don't think I'll get results back for this, but that's the approach you would take. I don't have any results on that one. Definitely the other, as I mentioned earlier, I'll put a link at the bottom of this video. Do check this article here, make sure your servers are patched, disable SMB version 1, and run an audit on your network afterwards and see if there's any instances of those WNCRY files, or also just check for the text file as well. Again, I'll put the information at the bottom of the video.